कमीशन ने फ़िज़िकल एजुकेशन टीचर्स के लिए जो सिलेबस दिया गया है वो 3 हिस्सों में डिवाइड किया गया है। फर्स्ट हमारे पास है वो इंग्लिश का पार्ट है। इंग्लिश में जो है हमारे पास वोकैबुलरी है, ग्रामर यूसेज है, टेंस स्ट्रक्चरिंग है, ठीक है। फिर इसके बाद हमारे पास प्रोफेशनल पार्ट आता है। इसमें हमारे पास करिकुलम डेवलपमेंट इन फिज़िकल एजुकेशन है, रूल्स ऑफ गेम है, बेसिक ह्यूमन एनाटॉमी है, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड मैनेजमेंट इन स्पोर्ट है, स्पोर्ट्स न्यूट्रिशन है, ट्रॉमा एंड रिहेबिलिटेशन है, टेस्ट मेजरमेंट एंड इवेल्युएशन है, एथलेटिक इंजरीज हैं, हैंडीकेप स्पोर्ट्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है। तो हमारा इसके रिलेटेड पूरा एक सीरीज़ बना हुआ है। आज का हमारा लेक्चर है वो है फ़िलॉसफी ऑफ फिज़िकल एजुकेशन। पहला एमसीक्यूज़ हमारे पास है, डैश इज़ द स्टडी ऑफ द ह्यूमन बॉडी फिजिकल, डैश इज़ द मॉडिफिकेशन ऑफ बिहेवियर एंड द डिज़ायरेबल चैनल एजुकेशन। Physical education is that field of education which deal with big muscles activities and their related response। ये कहा है किसने? ये भी नाश। The powerful believer is better than powerless believer, Hertz। Philosophy is derived from Greek। Philosophy means love of wisdom। Philo means love। Dash is the systematic inquiry into the principle and the presupposition of any field of study, philosophy। Philosophy aims at knowledge of the eternal nature of things, Plato। A science which investigates the nature of being, it is itself, Aristotle। Dash branches of the philosophy, 3। Physical education is the creation of sound mind in a sound body, Aristotle। ये अरिस्टोटल ने कहा है, ठीक है। Axiology in philosophy deal with values। Epistemology deal with knowledge। Ontology deal with reality। Ontology also called metaphysics। metaphysics का मतलब metaphysics का मतलब है reality। Metaphysics deal with reality। Ethic and aesthetic are component of epistemology। Ethic deal with behavior। Aesthetic deal with value of art। Physical education is the part of general education, gaining the knowledge through movement experience and development of whole body। ये कहा है गुलाम मुर्तज़ा। Physical education is the part of parcel of total process of education which makes an individual physically fit, mentally alert and socially well related, C.A. Butcher। The reality and the life are governed by the laws of nature. The individual is more important than the society is called naturalism। The development of the full potential of each individual, humanism। The reality is based on human existence, existentialism। The mind interprets event and create reality, truth and value are absolute and universally shared, idealism। the physical world of the real world, and it is governed by the nature. Realism. Reality and the truth is determined by the individual life experience. Pragmatism. Founder of naturalism is ये Rousseau and Hoxie both है. Dash is the founder of idealism. Plato. Aristotle was against the idea of Plato. Dash is the founder of pragmatism. John Dewey. Pray to Allah for good health. Hertz. Dash is such a worthwhile leisure time activity acceptable to the society and satisfaction to an individual who voluntarily participate in it. Recreation. The ability to perform daily tasks with vigor and without undue fatigue is a fitness, physical fitness. Physical activity that is planned, structured, and repetitive with the purpose of developing, improving, and maintaining physical fitness is exercise. Dash is any body movement that work your muscle and required more energy than resting. Physical activity. Study of the teaching and learning, creation of effective learning through activities. Sports pedagogy. The study of the nature of reality and the value of movement for all participants. Philosophy. Organize competitive activities governed by the rules that standardize competition and condition. Sports. The process in which individual influence subordinates to achieve organizational objectives. Leadership. It is one in which the manager retains as much power and decision-making authority as possible. Autocratic leader. Dash leadership is where the manager by book everything must be done according to procedure or policy. Bureaucratic. The Dash leadership style is called the participative style as it encourages employees to be the part of decision making. Democratic. Other name of laissez-faire leadership style is hand-off. It is one in which the manager provides title or no direction and gives employees as much freedom as possible. Laissez-faire. Dash is the founder of the leadership style. Henry Fayol. Islamic leadership or administration poses Dash values. Democratic. An estimate forecast of an individual or company's income and expenses expected from some period of the future is called budget. Leadership is the process of encouraging and helping others to work enthusiastically toward objectives. Kate David. Leadership is the process of encouraging and helping others to work enthusiastically toward objectives. Kate David. The philosophy of fine art. Aesthetic. Dash is the psychological study of moral principle. Ethics. In which source basis of physical creation in which source basis of physical education are stronger? Physical concept. Founder of realism is dash Aristotle. तो यहाँ तक हमारा फ़िलासफ़ी ऑफ फ़िज़िकल एजुकेशन के MCQs ख़त्म होते हैं। अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिए। अल्लाह हाफिज़।